In this video, I'll show you how to create Facebook ads for your local business, step by step. Facebook ads are a great way to reach nearby customers, promote your products or services, and grow your business. First, open your web browser and sign in to Meta Business Suite or Ads Manager with your Facebook account. Make sure your Facebook business page and ad account are already set up. Next, click Create to start a new campaign. Choose an objective that matches your goal, such as leads, traffic, sales, or engagement. Set your campaign name and budget. Then move to the Audience section. Select your business location and choose the cities or areas you want to target. You can also set the age, gender, interests, and behaviors of your ideal customers. After that, create your ad by uploading a high-quality image or video, writing a clear headline and description, and adding a strong call to action like Call Now, Get Directions, or Learn More. Review all your settings, add your payment method if needed, and click Publish. Once your ad is approved, monitor its performance in Ads Manager and make changes to improve your results. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.